So, here we are at Longhorn.
I never sit by myself.
No, you don't, do you?
What?
Daddy's most favourite, Stu's most favourite restaurant, so looks like Gaston's done a bit of decorating in here. But anyway, take a picture of the menus because you can't see them very well on this. So Stu is doing the honours of cutting the warm bread.
Oh, it is. So fun.
Scarlett got a raspberry lemonade. She got a beer, which is tiny. And I've got a $5 margarita. Nice, with no salt. It's gorgeous. So we're going to get stuck into the bread and then just wait for our starters coming. We're really filling our boots tonight, aren't we, hon?
I'm putting this on with a steak knife. It's not...
Well, they don't give you another knife, do they? So, we've all had, as you can see, a bit. I'll do you a bit in a minute. Daddy's just going to try this bit. The bread.
It's melted.
It's amazing. Try it.
It's very, very light. Really, really light. Love the butter.
It's like a whipped butter, isn't
Yeah,
it?
it's just gorgeous.
So I've ordered the Texas Tunyon. Hope you can see it. She thought it was just chicken strips, and he near broke everybody's fingers who tried to take a bit. But oh my god, it's gorgeous. It's similar to the
Look at the size of the portion, though.
look at that. That's a one person's portion. Where's my hand? There's the portion. It's ridiculous. But what do you?
Mouth. Disappearing out.
Oh, it's lovely.
Too spicy for you?
Yeah.
Right on.
So Stu's spicy chicken has turned up. What if that sauce makes it spicier?
No. Yeah.
Does it?
Yeah, that's spicy.
I don't know if
Don't
you'll
do it
like
with
it,
them.
honey. Right,
Don't do
let's
it
see.
with sauce.
Let's see, Scarlett.
It didn't hit you straight away. It's really tasty. Lots of flavour. And then the spice that comes in. So you get used to the spice.
So they've just brought Scarlett randomly without us asking a second. What is it? Raspberry lemonade.
That's so tasty.
I'm still waiting on the second margarita, like, but that's what we've done to the Tunyon. But this thing, oh my god, is a beast.
Fill my tongue.
What, honey?
Your tongue.
Okay, so I hope you can see, but basically we got the side salads brought out, which was Caesar salad. This is my loaded jacket potato, steak and corn. And I am, thank you. Thank you. I'll stick it over here somewhere. Thank you. Lobster tail right there. And I ordered another corn by accident. I didn't realise mine came with corn. Scarlett got parmesan with broccoli and fries. She started on the fries, so we'll see how that goes. She got New York steak, medium well. Look at the size of that thing. Again, he got a little side salad which he's tucked into already. But send help because God knows how we're going to get through all this food. You wanted to say the service has been... I mean, the service is good, the lady's lovely, but it's been slow, hasn't it?
Slow.
But it is absolutely packed in here, and it is a Sunday night, so maybe just everybody didn't want to be bothered cooking. Scarlett's trying to cut this. Not having much luck. Just be careful, okay?